Good morning, everyone. John Chow here from johnchow.com. Welcome to .com Lifestyle Vlog. It is Sunday, February 18th, 10:15 a.m. Let's check the MOBE stats. Like this Sunday is doing quite well, it looks like. And yes, it is. So far this Sunday, $3,281.35. And it's just 10 a.m. in the morning, so looking good. Today is the third and final day of Supercharge Summit. I'm going to show you dinner from last night before we actually begin, because last night dinner was really good. We got salad, spinach, and balsamic dressing. And then we have sliced vine ripened tomatoes with fresh mozzarella and caramelized shallot. Black pepper vinaigrette. Another salad and more salad side. This is like the appetizer opening. Bread, butter, nice butter asparagus, and then we got a ratatouille from the movie. Yeah, and white truffle mashed potato, always good, and wild mushroom risotto, even better. And for our main course here, we have, is that what I think it is? A beef Wellington?
Salmon.
No, it's not. It's a salmon. But yeah, very nice. And then over here on the, so that's the fish side. And then on the, rack of lamb.
Rack of lamb.
Rack of lamb.
Stuff.
And
your beef.
10 beef tenderloin. And it's still kind of rare too.
It
Excellent.
is beautiful.
Hopefully she'll finish up early so we don't become overcooked.
Your béarnaise sauce is for your beef.
Béarnaise sauce for the beef,
and
that is for the lamb. Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna hurry them up and tell them to hurry up. I want to eat. Today is gonna have lunch only because it's over around 5 or 6 p.m. And I made an arrangement to go out for dinner with a few friends from Supercharge, and we are going to Guy Sava, 2 Michelin star restaurant in Las Vegas. He has one in Paris, 3 Michelin star. But we're gonna go there, and it's gonna be an amazing dining experience. I'm expecting it to be on the same level as Joe Robuchon the last time I was here. So, and it's a good thing that I'm already past $3,000 today, because dinner's gonna be expensive. Let's go. Awesome.
Ladies and gentlemen, help me welcome Chris and Susan. Give it up for Chris and Susan.
My office right now. I'm gonna edit some videos and produce some content for you guys while the beasties are speaking. A lot of people are checking out today because it's the last day. So this is where they're hiding their luggage, under the drinks. Yeah, I'm checking out tomorrow, so I'm fine. It's hungry. It's time for lunch. You're hungry. She's hungry. You're hungry. How much food can you eat?
A lot. 3 plates.
That's right. You can eat a lot. All right, let's go for lunch. Yeah, we're gonna break for lunch now. Let's see. Yesterday's dinner was really good. So let's see today's lunch. Yeah. I have noticed that basically the lunches has been improving each and every single day. So the first day was just sandwiches, the second day was better, and today is the last day of the lunch here at the Supercharge. Let's hope it's a goodie. There's no dinner tonight. Tonight we're going to Guy Sava. So I see salad, Caesar salad, more salad,
More salad.
more salad,
More salad.
a pasta salad, balsamic glazed vegetable, and ooh, this looks pretty good. A baked rigatoni. Man, that's a chicken breast
Cacciatore.
cacciatore.
That's a
Very good.
cacciatore.
That's very good. Cacciatore, and what else? It's over here. It looks like a sheer white fish.
Seared.
Sheer white fish, and a selection of breads, and what is those? Weird sandwiches. Well, here we go. That's today's lunch here at Supercharge. Hey, so he's the hungry man.
Of course I am.
Yeah, making money in life makes you hungry.
It's tiring, especially when everything's automated, you know?
Yeah. Automating everything makes you hungry.
It's funny, we have like a love sack like right in the middle of the apartment. And dude, that's where I make all the money. I'm just sitting there, my pajamas, working there. That's it. On a love sack. On a cubicle on a love sack.
This is my lunch, and it doesn't look as appetizing as the first day or the second day. So it seemed to have like been in a roller coaster. It went up, now it's going down. But it tastes okay. We have a cannoli. We have a fake creme brulee, and we have a tiramisu with a coffee bean on top. Who is gonna eat the coffee bean?
Exactly.
That's what I was thinking.
I mean, it's a raw coffee bean. Is this for just for decoration? I mean, the only thing you're gonna do, you're gonna take this away, and you're just gonna. Yeah.
Oh, you're not going to eat it?
Oh, you can eat it if you like.
Oh, no, no thank you. I don't like coffee.
But yeah, that's a good selection of dessert anyway, except for the coffee bean. What do you think of today's lunch?
Pasta was bomb, dude.
What?
The pasta was pretty good.
I thought that's okay, but you know what I'm looking forward to? Tonight's dinner. That's right, because we're going to Guy Savoy. But all you Americans, you'll probably call it Guy Savoy, but he's French, okay? Guy Savoy. So that's what we're going to tonight. And by the way, we found out that the rotation menu we're going to go to was supposed to be $350. It went up. It's now $380. Oh well.
It's all right. Look how much we made this weekend.
Exactly. So, yeah, Kevin's coming, Carolina's coming, and Jill and her husband's coming. The only person that is kind of hesitating
Is running away.
is running away. Why? Because he said he wants to go clubbing. You want to go clubbing, but dinner's at 8 p.m.
Flight's at 7, man.
Dinner's at 8 p.m. I mean,
flight's at
there's no
7,
club is open at 8 p.m. This is Vegas. They open at 2 in the morning. You can still join us and go to the club afterwards.
It's crazy, right? Like, I make all this kind of money, but I'm still like...
I mean, why are you hesitating for a $400 dinner?
$40.
$400.
$400.
Alright, it's not just a dinner, it's a gastronomic experience.
That's right.
The World Cup is an astronomical experience.
Right,
Yeah.
you going to that?
Oh, this camera? Yeah. All right, this camera that I'm using to record is called the Sony RX 100.
You know how that works.
Mark 5. Mark 5. Mark 5.
Oh, Mark 5.
Yeah, Mark 5. Version 5. The 5th generation of the Sony. And right now I have it on selfie mode. I got a screen flipped up so I can see myself when I'm shooting. So that's quite cool. Eh? Yeah, that's great. Fantastic. And I got it hooked up to my gimbal. I got hooked up to the gimbal, so like it's always stabilized. I can walk like this, and that's stable. It's pretty cool. Yeah, I love it.
Thank you very much.
All right, no problem. I'll have the link to this camera below my video. Actually, below my video is a link to all the equipment I use to shoot my vlog. So, you're looking to have a great setup, buy everything I use. It only costs you around about 10 grand. Jill Waverka, the retired school teacher, is going to be up next, followed by Russell Whitney and Kevin Klaus. So, a busy afternoon session. But what I'm looking forward to is dinner tonight at Guy Savoy.
All right, everybody there? And it's going to ask you to put in your first name and last name. Hopefully you know the answer to that question.
Another Supercharge Summit is in the bag. So awesome, incredible 3 days of learning, training, and networking, and making new friends and seeing old ones. Fantastic event. If you've never been to Supercharge before, you should definitely go to one if one is in your area. But yeah, I had a really, really great time. Right now, I'm gonna pack up, bring my stuff back to my room, and then I'm gonna get ready for dinner tonight at Guy Savoy. Wow, awesome! Can't wait for it. Anyway, that's it for now. When I get back to my room, I'll give an update to my earnings. But for some reason, the internet here is not working that well. So I'll see you guys back in my room. Now 6:46 p.m. Just got back to my room. Let's see how we did today. So I think today I left this morning around almost $3,000. So good start to the day, and check it out. Looks like I'm gonna finish Supercharge with $6,480.85. So pretty good Sunday. Okay, so that is the end of this episode of .com Lifestyle Vlog. I hope you enjoy it. It's been a pretty good day. Like today's the last day of Supercharge. Had a great time. It's kind of a bittersweet moment because you meet all these great people and I gotta say bye to them. But hey, that's the way it is. So overall, can't really complain. It's been a fantastic event. I will have more coverage from the Supercharge in videos that's coming up. I made a whole bunch of videos, and they'll be coming in the next few days. So keep an eye out for those. And right now, I'm gonna get changed and get ready to go to Guy Savoy. Looking forward to that all day long. Yeah, and good thing too, because good thing I made almost $6,500 because that restaurant is gonna be expensive. Look for that vlog coming up. So JohnShelby.com. Thank you very much for watching. Like and share my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Leave your feedback below. I'd love to hear it. And once again, if you want to find out how I live the .com lifestyle, link below this video. Download my free ebook. It'll show you how I do what I do. Okay, thank you very much. See you guys next time.